Right, I thought I'd do a quick video on how I light my coke forge. Coke needs an airflow to actually burn. Without an airflow, the fire will go out. Coke will just extinguish itself. So to actually get it lit, you need to get some heat into it and have an airflow on it. There's many different ways of lighting a forge, a coke forge. Some people just get their blowtorch and leave it kind of heating up the coke until such time as it's hot enough to burn on its own with the airflow. Sometimes people use oxypropane, oxyacetylene. I just like to use a bit of newspaper and some kindling. So that's what I'll do. Right, you can see my tweer here. Currently the fan's off and the slide valve shut, so there's no air coming through here. I've got some what was packing material, some paper, so I'm going to put my paper on top of the tweer, and then I've got a pile of kindling. I'm just going to put some kindling on top of the paper. And the key thing here is going to be to make sure your kindling's well and truly burning before you start putting the coke on. And the other thing is to get the burning kindling down on the airflow, where as you blow on it, it gives off more heat. So I'll just turn the fan on. Again, the slide valve is shut. All my coke is very dry, it's kept indoors. So I'm just going to open up a little air. Right, I can hear the air. You can see it's a bit windy. Just going to give it a bit more air. Again, as the paper's burning, I'm pushing down onto the airflow. Right, my kindling's burning well, so I'm just going to bring some coke in on the sides. Just going to give it a little more air. You can give it too much air and actually blow the fire out. As you can tell, it is quite a windy day. I'm just looking down here and I can see the fire developing. You can possibly even hear it start getting noisier. So I think the coke is lit. As you can see, it's nice and red there. So typically now I'll drag more coke on it and get the fire a bit bigger. Right, I've just turned the fan on onto max air, slid the slide valve all the way out. So that's how to light a coke forge.